iGEM's responsibility program is our core effort to ensure a safe, secure, and accountable future. For iGEM teams, it might be the safety forums. For experts, it might be the responsibility conference and the discussions about the future of synthetic biology. But what is iGEM's responsibility program really about? Hello, my name is Alonso Flores and I'm Safety and Security Program Officer at iGEM. iGEM is dedicated to expanding the boundaries of what we can accomplish with synthetic biology. Each year, iGEM teams pursue projects that expand our understanding of what synthetic biology can accomplish. For example, in 2016, just 1 year after the development of gene drives were published in a scientific journal, an iGEM team took initial steps to develop their own gene drive. With these kind of cases, we can't help but ponder the question, if synthetic biology is this powerful, how can we ensure to use it responsibly? There's always a balance between benefits and risks. While trying to get the benefits for the world, synthetic biologists will inevitably find risks, and we need to prepare for that possibility. So, how do we manage risks? iGEM formed the Safety and Security Committee back in 2007, just a few years after the start of the iGEM competition. Since then, our program has grown from a single biosafety questionnaire to a full program of education, conference with industry leaders, and published papers. iGEM's responsibility program is based in two main pillars: human practices and safety and security. The first pillar, human practices, teaches teams to creatively and deeply think about their projects and the kind of impact that they want to make. With questions like, what are the communities that you want to impact and how you want to approach your project, we can create better and stronger projects that will teach the next generation about how our work affects the world and how the world affects our work. The other pillar, safety and security, means identifying and managing risks for projects. iGEM's safety policies and forms are a way for teams to address biosafety and biosecurity aspects of their work. For more than a decade now, iGEM's responsibility program has been more than just identifying safety aspects in projects, but rather working to reach out to a wider community like policymakers and stakeholders from industry. For example, at our annual responsibility conference, thanks to this mixture of policymakers, youth members, industry representatives, we've been able to create and dedicate time to develop resources for the future of synthetic biology. For example, we created a set of principles and guides that can help guide the use of synthetic biology outside the lab. Thinking about how we can impact our communities and how we can include them in this process is one of the best things that we can get out from the Responsibility Conference that will, in time, help shape the future of synthetic biology out in the world. Once the Responsibility Conference is over, we make reports that are then published in our Responsibility webpage. We are taking these reports out to the reach of policymakers and decision makers out in the world as well. At iGEM, we're not just preparing for the challenges of today, but preparing the ethical, safety, and security frameworks for the innovators of tomorrow. If you want to build this future together with us, reach out to us directly or visit our responsibility page at igem.org.